Jai Jinendra, Namaste. My name is Sayyam Jain. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve the sixth problem of the problem solving series, which is based on array. And this question has been asked in Amazon, and the difficulty level for this question is easy. So let's begin. Remove duplicates from an array. So if this is an array, we need to remove the repeated elements in the array. So as we can see here, the 2 has been repeated, 7 has been repeated, yes, 3 has been repeated. So we will remove the repeated elements and return the array or vector with unique elements. So what would be the values of the new vector? It should be 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, 6, all the unique elements. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are no repeated elements, so our answer will be the same, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, 3 has been repeated thrice, so our answer would be only 3 would be only once. So how do we solve this? In the previous video, we have seen how to use hashing. We have also seen how do we use sorting and two-pointer technique together. We have seen the use of inner loop. All the things we have discussed in the previous video. If not checked it out, please check it out. So here we can use this in the same way. We can solve this problem also in 3 ways. So we can use the 2 loops to find out whether the element has been repeated or not. And if it has been repeated, we will not take that element. So we will take only that element once. So we will have the one. We will keep on getting the. We can take a new array, or we can even in the existing array or vector, we can store the element only once and can exclude it, and we can solve it using two loops. Similarly, using sorting also we can figure it out. We can remove the elements, we can sort this, and we can see that the elements will be repeated, they will be continuously repeated, and till the time it is repeated we will be not taking that part of the vector, and then we will go to the next part when it is not repeated, and we can solve it. The time complexity we have already discussed. These two are not optimized solution, but with hashing we can solve this problem in order of n. So how we will use hashing technique to solve this? Same approach what we have done in the previous two-sum problem. So here let me code it and let me explain it while coding. So what we'll do, we'll take map, we can take unordered also. In Java we take hash shape, hash set, and in C++, since I'm coding every problem in C++, we take unordered map. We would have taken set also. In some examples I'll be taking set. Here there will be no difference in map and set. So we have taken the map and now we will be storing all the elements in the map, and if the element is already found, we will not store them. So we can figure out using map if the element is already there. If it is already there, we will not we will skip that part and store only the unique elements while traversing the vector. So this will be clear with the pseudocode. So I will be traversing this I equal to 0 to n. So n, we can find n using a dot size, n minus 1. So now same logic will use if m dot find ai is equal to m dot n. That means the element has not come in the map. What we'll do is we'll store the element mai plus plus. So the frequency will increase from 0 to 1. By default it is 0. So and then what we'll do, we will take another variable, say int of index, or we can take anything, int of a, int of a, int of t. So we have this p variable, and what we'll do, we will store this value in the update the vector value, and if it is not there, we will not take. So this p will be kept on increasing, and after we have all the unique values, what we will do is we will erase the other elements. So a dot begin plus a comma a dot end. So this will give us the solution. So what we have done is, let's dry run this code in this example. So we have 2, when we are traversing we get 2 here. Since 2 is not there in the map, so map we will store 2. Okay. And we will store the value of 2 in the array also. So we will update the array every time. So this p's value is 0. So in the 0, it's already 2, but we have again put 2 here. Now the next element is 3. 3 is not there in the map. We will add it in the map. 2 is already there in the map. So we will not store 2 in the map, and this will not come to this part of the code. Again 7. 7 has come, so 3 will also be there. The p's value is 2 now. Okay. And when 7 has come, 7 is not there in the map. So we'll store 7, and the A2 value will become 7. You see, previously the A2 value was 2. But since it was already present, so we have updated the A2 value to 7. So we have the unique values in the array. Now again 7 has come, 7 is already there in the map. We are not going here. 3 has come, 3 is already there in the map. 5 has come, 5 is not there in the map. We will put it in the map. We will also update the A3 value to 5. So instead of 7, the A3 value is 5. 4 is not there in the map, we will store 4. And 6 is not there in the map, we will store 6 as well. So after that, so this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 values of the array that has been updated, and whatever the rest values are there. So p will be increasing, and we will exit out of the loop. And whatever the values that are left in the array, we will erase them by this erase function of vector. So in this way, we will have the updated value of array. Since it is a void data type, we don't need to return it, we have passed it. So in this way, this problem can be solved in order of n time complexity, and the space complexity will be order of n only. The link to the question has been given in the description. Please try it yourself and then come and check my code walkthrough section.
Here is the code walkthrough of the 6th question, removing duplicates in the array. And we have implemented the hashing approach, whose time complexity is order of n and space complexity is order of n. So here we have taken the map, and we are checking whether the element is already present in the map or not. If it is not present, we are adding it in the map, and we are assigning the value of into the array. So we will have all the unique elements in the array after we have completed the traversal of this array, and we'll have the updated value of the val, and we can delete. So in the while explaining the pseudocode, I have given the val instead of where val, I have written ARR, so that is wrong. So it should be val, and all those elements which are already repeated, we will be deleting it from the array, and we'll be returning the array. Here we to return it. So let's compile and run this. Let's submit it. All the 400 test cases is fast. Let me know in the comment section how was the explanation, how was the code walkthrough, and see you all soon in the next video where I'll be solving the 7th question of the array. Thank you. Jai Jinendra.